More often than not, I don't really think about what I eat. Fast food, fried foods, vegetable oils, corn oil, grain-fed animal fat, processed ingredients, fillers. I know it's bad for me. And it's pretty much common knowledge that today's diet doesn't provide the essential DHA-rich omega-3 fatty acids that my body and brain really need. But who really has time to pay that much attention? By now, everyone seems to know that increasing your intake of omega-3s, especially DHA, is essential to good health. But who really wants to eat that much fish? New and improved Forever Arctic Sea. It's a proprietary blend of natural fish and calamari oil. The most bioavailable and environmentally friendly source of DHA available. Now with 33% more DHA. Essential nutrition for my cardiovascular system, brain, eyes, joints, mood. Optimal health and wellness. It's the perfect, most advanced omega-3 DHA-rich nutritional supplement on the market. With Forever Arctic Sea and a healthy diet, I know I'm getting all the essential omega-3s I need. And I've definitely noticed a difference. And now that I'm committed to eating better, I'm also committed to the best omega-3 supplement out there. Forever Living Products Forever Arctic Sea Super Omega-3. Want to learn more about what Forever Arctic Sea can do for you? Check this out.
Let's start with the basics. Essential fatty acids, or EFAs, are critical to every living cell in the human body. EFAs are essential to our health, but they can't be created by the body. This means we have to get them from our diet. Two primary sources of EFAs are omega-3s and omega-6s. Many researchers believe intake of the two should be about evenly balanced, which is harder than you'd think. Omega-3 comes from sources like fish, flaxseed, mussels, and calamari. Stuff that most of us in our crazy busy lives don't eat a lot. Omega-6, on the other hand, shows up everywhere in our modern diet. Corn oil, soy oil, peanut oil. If you read the labels, it's everywhere, especially in the fast foods and ready-to-eat snacks that we too often consume. For centuries, the human diet was pretty well balanced between 1:1 to 1:4. But in the last century, this ratio has gotten way out of whack. With the exception of the Inuit. The Inuit culture consumes a diet that is rich in omega-3 EFAs, much more in balance with their intake of omega-6. Not surprisingly, studies show that they enjoy exceptionally good heart health and mobility, despite a diet that is very high in fat. Arctic Sea Super Omega-3 helps restore balance to your diet with a healthy ratio of essential fatty acids. The right balance of omega-3s is also critical. And now, Forever Arctic Sea has 33% more DHA than before. Because it uses DHA-rich calamari oil, one of the best and richest sources of DHA available, Forever Arctic Sea is an easy way to increase DHA consumption and keep a better balance of DHA and EPA. Many products on the market today are high in EPA, but the levels of active DHA in our bodies is typically much lower than it should be, so we need to consume higher amounts of DHA. Forever Arctic Sea provides an excellent balance of DHA and EPA. This is a critical step to improve the EFA profile in your diet and can also improve overall levels of health and wellness. Each batch of our Forever Arctic Sea undergoes 46 qualitative and quantitative tests to verify that it is safe, pure, and effective. Forever Arctic Sea Super Omega-3 makes Forever Living's core nutrition system even better, and it can help you be even healthier.
New and improved Forever Arctic Sea. From Forever Living Products. Now that's a healthy catch.